Welcome to AI Techpacks. Today, I'll show you how to use our advanced TechPack system, which includes all features and capabilities. First, let's start by uploading a product image. It's best to use a clear image. The system can handle multiple products in one photo, but the AI will focus on just one garment to create the tech pack. For best results, try to be as specific as possible with your product image. As you see here, I've also added a size chart by pasting it into the text box. This helps the AI use it as a reference during generation. Once we generate the tech pack, the editor will appear on the left and the tech pack PDF on the right. I like to start by reviewing the PDF to see which areas need adjustment. The first thing I'll edit is the placement guide, specifically the positions. Right now, we haven't released a fine-tuned model for this section, so placement may not be perfectly accurate and often requires adjustments. Editing is also simple. Just click and drag the dots to the correct positions. You can also edit all the fields and data points in the box. When you're done, click Save. Then, refresh the PDF to update your changes. Next, let's look at the flat sketch and measurement lines. When you click Edit Flat Sketch, you'll be taken to the sketch editor. Here, you can replace the flat sketch with your own image or download the generated sketch as an SVG file. Then, you can make edits to your SVG file in your own design software and re-upload it back into AI Techpacks. Adjusting measurement lines is also easy. Just click and drag them into place. Once you're finished, click Save and Return to go back to the editor. Now, let's add some artwork. Artwork is how we provide extra detail for the manufacturer. Inside the BOM, you can attach artwork to any listed material. For example, I'll add artwork for the fabric. After saving, I can upload an image of the fabric now and even specify Pantone colors. Right now, this is a manual step, but in the future updates, we'll add AI assistance to make it faster. You can also download extracted artwork from the AI. That way, you can make edits to the artwork in Photoshop and re-upload it back into your tech pack. The key thing to remember here is everything is customizable. You're never locked in. The AI builds the best structure for you, and you refine the final results. Most things come out really well, but always double check before sending your tech pack to a factory. And that's it. That's how you build a tech pack with AI Tech Packs.